We begin tonight with a breaking news update following Carnival festivities on Sunday. A U.S. citizen is now speaking out after being shot at a Carnival after-party event known as Big Wall Revolution, held right here at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center. Jeremy Watson, a bystander, traveled to Jamaica for the annual carnival season, says he had only just arrived at the event when he was allegedly struck by a stray bullet during an altercation involving YouTuber and podcaster J.D. Richards, popularly known as Jaii Frais, and members of dancehall entertainer 450's entourage.
I ran and then I felt the shot. Then when everything cleared up, I got up, I was bleeding, and I'm looking at my arm. My bicep is blown out.
Watson says his injuries are severe with possible long-term nerve damage, and he's now expected to be flown back to the United States for urgent surgery. He adds that the incident has caused significant physical, emotional, and financial distress. He also raised serious concerns about the emergency response at the event, claiming that while an ambulance was present, it lacked the necessary medical supplies to properly treat his injuries.
When I got into the ambulance, they didn't have anything to patch me up, anything like that. And I bled out in the ambulance. I had to use my belt to tie around my arm.
You used your
A belt, yes, tie around my arm before I got to the Jaii, the hospital. When I got to the hospital, I lost so much blood. I blacked out a couple times. For one, if you say no weapons allowed, then do your job, right? Do a proper pat down on the people that's coming in there. I feel like it's too many buddy stuff that's going on. I'm just thinking, hey, I know I'm gonna be okay, right? It's my arm, I'm gonna be okay. But it's like the future. What am I gonna do now? Like if I can't use my arm.
Watson was one of 3 people injured in the shooting, among them Jaii Frais, who remains hospitalized tonight under police guard. Another victim, believed to be part of 450's entourage, was also shot and is listed in critical condition. Jamaica News Page understands that around 9:30 p.m., Jaii Frais arrived at the event and went to use the restroom. Upon leaving, he allegedly encountered 450's music producer and manager Jahvy Ambassador Morrison, seen here with 450 dressed in red and white on the right of your screen. Jahvy reportedly struck Jaii Frais in the face. Police say Jaii Frais reported that he was then attacked by a group of about 15 men. He claims one of the men pulled a firearm and pointed it at him, after which he reportedly disarmed the individual. It is further understood that Jaii Frais alleges the music producer then pulled a firearm from his waist and opened a gunfire in his direction while the attack was ongoing. Jaii Frais then allegedly returned the gunfire using the disarmed weapon while attempting to escape. He then ran to the police for assistance and handed over the weapon. Let's watch.
Try to kill me, you know, dog. And them try to kill me, you know. And them try to kill me, you know, dog.
Shortly after the shooting, Jamaica News Page understands that Jaii Frais felt a burning sensation to the lower left side of his back and realized he had been shot. He was transported to hospital where he remains under police guard. 6 shots were reported to have been fired.
To the exits. Do not rush to the exits. Do not rush to the exits, please.
Now, take a look at this next video, which appears to show entertainer 450 approaching a man believed to be a member of his entourage who was also shot.
Alright, everybody stay calm. Stay calm, stay calm, stay exactly where you are. Everybody stay calm and stay exactly where you are.
That individual underwent surgery and up to news time remains in critical condition. In the meantime, there has been a wave of reactions from social media users following the incident. Let's watch some of them.
And some of the way that I see some of the man them defend other men, I don't not defend a woman, so you know. I want like man on a soulmate or something. What's going on? What's going on, guys? A boy said this boy, yo, you know, say back something. Me chat me, a girl chat me, me chat her back if me feel like. Cause remember, anybody who me no tear, or who me no feel like. Cause remember, I can go here and I can go there. Your life, your safety is worth more. Leave them. But because you have your money now, and you hype now, and you drive certain type of vehicle now, and then when people tell you say they don't want to in a them place, or they on the ear, oh, them are discriminate against people, them not like poor people, them not like no, it's not that they don't like poor people. It's the attitude and the mentality and the ego that comes with it.
A man almost lose his life because he never like where another man said. Now I say it one more time so you can listen to how stupid that sounds. A man almost lose his life because he never like where another man said. When you can work hard for a huge chunk of life and build something so monumental it has the potential to feed your kids. I wanna fuck it up in less than a second. Time for the youth to learn to regulate your emotions, brother. When a girl child, a man use words and whap him back with some words. When I get physical with people like one of the things that people afraid of nowadays. People them realize that what separates you from them is the gun on hand. And once we get 1-2, we're up on the same level. Bro, dog, this could have go worse. Just give thanks, nobody never dead. Free Jaii.
Meanwhile, organizers of the Big Wall event are speaking out tonight, saying they're deeply saddened and troubled by what they describe as an isolated act of violence. The statement reads in part, "Our hearts are with those injured, their families, and everyone who was present and affected. The safety of our patrons, the staff, and partners is and has always been paramount." End quote. The organizers also stressed that the incident does not reflect the standards, spirit, or values of the Big Wall brand. In quote, "For over a decade, we have built a safe, inclusive, and world-class carnival experience with an unblemished record of safety and professionalism. We will not allow one individual's actions to define us." End quote. They have also apologized to patrons and sponsors, adding that a full review of security protocols is now underway to strengthen safety measures for future events. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has also released a statement saying that it will be tightening restrictions on firearms at entertainment venues and will be meeting with event promoters to strengthen safety requirements going forward. Now, back to the feud between Jaii Frais and the 450 camp. Jamaica News Page understands that the feud has been ongoing for some time following these statements. Let's listen.
Who they get? Me no kiss like free. I tell you one thing me do already, and me say it again, me kiss it already.
Jay Rasta man love me and fish, you know?
450, if you not go try to style me, style me about bash, bro.
But what me I said to you?
Wait no man,
yeah.
style me about bash, brother.
Yes, so, yeah.
But you no could style me about bash, because under this on a father.
Police sources confirm that music producer and manager Jahvy Ambassador Morrison is in custody as investigations continue. However, no charges have been laid at this time. Stay with Jamaica News Page for more updates on this rapidly developing story. Be sure to like and share this video with friends and family, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And now to a separate development on Carnival Day. Police are searching for this man caught on camera breaking into this vehicle along Arden Road. Let's take a look. Investigators believe the man may be linked to similar thefts in the past. Anyone with information on his whereabouts is being asked to contact the police at 119 or the nearest police station. We'll of course continue to follow these developments and bring you updates as more information becomes available. This has been a special report from Jamaica News Page. We'll see you in the comments. Be sure to like, share, and join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.